Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Oh God. What's up, plant nerds? It's Rachel with Heart-Shaped Leaves, and if you're new to subscribing, I'd like to say welcome. And also, I would like to mention at the beginning of this video that it's been stated that if I get up to 100 subscribers, I can order one of my wish list plants. So we'll see. We'll see. So help a girl out. If I get to 100 subscribers, which is not a big deal or anything, I'll get to order, and I don't know which one of my wish list plants I'll get to order, but it'll be a good one. It'll be a really good one. Today, what we have here is my second ever online plant order. And this is from Josh's Frogs. This is my first Josh's Frogs order. Now, this box has been sitting outside for an hour, and it is 79 degrees outside. So I just got here, and you can see my plants are bouncing around. They're having a good time on my ratchet table. No, we have not improved the set yet here at Heart-Shaped Leaves. All right, since I completely, coffee break. Since I completely forgot what I ordered from Josh's Frogs, let's look at the deal here. I've got, oh, I'm not telling you. Stupid idiot. Sorry, hang on, let's look. Okay, so I'm gonna get the first one that I can see peeking out here, and oh my goodness, it's in like a little, oh my goodness, this looks so far so good, because ordering ferns through the mail, let me move this completely out of the way. Okay, ordering ferns through the mail was really scary. They got it stapled here. I don't need the cutters. You guys, look. Oh God, I love ferns so much. Oh my God, this thing is so gorgeous. I'm not going to hurt you.
I'm not going to hurt you.
Okay. Let's have a good look at you. Oh man, look at how pretty. Can you see? What a beautiful little fern. In excellent condition, might I add. We'll just throw this down. You can't see that. That works out. What a beauty. In the mail, in the heat. This plant looks beautiful. I cannot wait to get it over there in my fern collection. What a beautiful fern. Mama is a very happy mama. And I don't know which one this is exactly out of my collection. I think, oh my gosh, I forgot all the stuff that I ordered. Okay, so it's not a whole bunch, so don't get your hopes up too high. But super cute, super cute. Love it. So far, very happy with Josh's Frogs. All right, here we go. Here's the next one. Oh my gosh, and I cannot remember, even though I'm looking at it, I still have really no clue of what this is. I'm looking right at it and I still don't know what it is. It must be the Begonia that I ordered. Yeah, it must be the Begonia. I ordered Begonia Prismatocarpa. So that must be what it is, because it's not the other thing that I ordered, I don't think. So wow, it's so much different than I thought it was going to be. Check that out. It's a little bit leaned over, but you know, it's kind of like a super delicate little dainty begonia. How beautiful. Look at those little, it's definitely a begonia. I can see the blooms now. Now that I can, Now that the foliage is folded back from it a little bit. But look at how cute. This is the begonia that I saw on the website that had the yellow blooms with the red tinges on the inside of it, and I just didn't realize that it was this dainty of a plant. That's the only thing that threw me off when I was unboxing it, but it's so small. But these blooms are breathtaking. Oh, especially for begonias. Almost all of my begonias are some sort of red, pink, orange variation or something like that. Okay. Really happy about that. So far, oh no, you guys know what this means? This means that now the floodgates are totally open for ordering plants online. Oh, have mercy on my poor pocketbook and my poor home. You know, I've been thinking I can probably get a shelf into the living room and get some lights on it. I'll have a lot more room for plants if I do that. So far, so good. Cute. Real cute. When you're ordering begonias and ferns in the mail, you're not exactly sure what you're gonna get because these are delicate plants. Oh yes, I forgot. This is what I ordered. I forgot I was filming there for a second. Yes. Oh. So this little thing is called the heart leaf fern. And, you know, obviously the channel's name is Heart-Shaped Leaves. I am a sucker for anything that's little and heart-shaped. These aren't necessarily super little, but these leaves are amazing. Heart leaf fern. This thing is amazing. And if you Google some images of the heart leaf fern, after you see this, oh God, look at that one leaf. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. The stem on this thing is dainty and black, like on a regular maidenhair fern. You know, when they all come up from the, if you have a maidenhair fern, when they all come up from the base, they're very straight, teeny tiny, black, like thick, almost you can flick them. And this is the exact same way that the little tendrils are coming off on this guy. I mean, they're pretty dainty. So this thing, oh, I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it gets bigger. And I've got a humidity corner right over here. It's going to love it here. Oh, this is like the king of please don't die plants. Please, please don't die. Oh, I love it so much. And I think that's it. I only ordered 3. Yeah, because the rest of this is paper. Yes. So, 3 beautiful plants from Josh's Frogs. 12 out of 10. Great place to order plants from if you ask me. Okay, so to sum it up, I got 3 beautiful, healthy, super cute plants from Josh's Frogs. I don't even see... this is 2 ferns and a very petite begonia, and I don't even see leaf damage on any of these plants at all. This does not help with my plant addiction. Y'all be praying for me because, now that I know that we can order, especially ferns, it's gonna be really awesome. Good things are coming because I can put a shelf over here where I have all my ferns. You know, the ferns can be vertical. It'll be all right. It'll work out just fine. So, can you imagine the maiden's hair tendrils just creeping out at you while you're walking past the fern department? Get your life. So exciting to think about. Anyways, don't forget, if you like this video, I don't ever say this, I don't think, but if you like this video, be sure and subscribe. If I get to 100 subscribers, I can get a wishlist plant ordered offline, which could be a variegated monstera, it could be a pink princess philodendron, or it could be something totally different that maybe no one's ever heard of before. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but I need y'all's help, so help a girl out. All right, anyways, we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out. Later, taters. Bye.